When it comes to increasing the value of your home in Manassas, homeowners often think of major renovations like kitchen remodels or bathroom upgrades. However, one of the most effective and often overlooked ways to boost your home's value is through window installation. Upgrading your windows not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your property but also improves energy efficiency, comfort, and resale value, key factors that make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Curb appeal and aesthetic value. First impressions matter, especially in real estate. Your home's exterior is the first thing prospective buyers notice, and outdated or damaged windows can detract from your property's overall appearance. Installing modern, stylish windows can dramatically enhance curb appeal, making your home look fresh, well-maintained, and inviting. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary designs or classic, timeless styles, new windows can complement your home's architecture and make it stand out in the Manassas housing market. Additionally, natural light is a feature that buyers consistently prioritize. Larger, strategically placed windows can flood your interiors with sunlight, making rooms feel more open and welcoming. This visual upgrade not only makes your home more attractive but can also justify a higher asking price. Energy efficiency. A big selling point. Today's buyers are increasingly eco-conscious and value homes with energy-efficient features. Old, single-pane windows can lead to significant energy loss, causing higher heating and cooling bills. By upgrading to energy-efficient double or triple pane windows with advanced insulation technology, you can reduce your energy costs while enhancing the home's comfort. Windows with low emissivity coatings and gas-filled panes help maintain indoor temperatures by reflecting heat during summer and retaining warmth during winter. In Manassas, where seasonal temperature variations can be significant, this energy efficiency is a major selling point. Buyers will appreciate the cost savings on utility bills, which can translate into higher offers on your property. Increased home comfort. New windows don't just save energy, they also improve overall comfort. High-quality installations reduce drafts, minimize outside noise, and prevent moisture from seeping in. This is particularly important for homes in busy areas of Manassas where road noise or fluctuating weather can affect the indoor experience. Homebuyers are more likely to make strong offers on properties where comfort isn't compromised. Features like noise reduction and consistent indoor temperatures create a living environment that feels premium, further justifying a higher valuation. Return on investment, ROI. When considering home improvements, ROI is a critical factor. Window replacement offers one of the highest returns on investment among renovation projects. According to industry experts, homeowners can recoup up to 70–80% of their window installation costs when selling their home. In a competitive market like Manassas, homes with modern, energy-efficient windows are more likely to sell faster and at a better price. Buyers perceive new windows as a set-it-and-forget-it feature, reducing their need for immediate maintenance or upgrades post-purchase. This move-in ready factor is a significant value add. Meeting local market expectations. Manassas is a vibrant and growing community where real estate demand remains strong. Buyers here often look for homes that strike a balance between modern features and long-term savings. Upgrading your windows aligns perfectly with these expectations, making your property more competitive. Additionally, many local utility companies and government programs offer rebates or incentives for energy-efficient upgrades, including window installations. Taking advantage of these programs can lower your upfront costs while further increasing your home's value. How to get started with window installation. If you're ready to boost your Manassas home's value through window installation, start by consulting a professional contractor. They can guide you through options that suit your budget, style, and energy efficiency goals. From choosing the right materials to ensuring proper installation, partnering with an expert ensures you get the best results for your investment. Look for ENERGY STAR certified windows and reputable installers who are familiar with local building codes and climate considerations. Proper installation is critical. Even the best windows won't perform well if they aren't installed correctly. Conclusion. Investing in new windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a strategic move that can significantly increase your Manassas home's value. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing comfort and ROI, modern window installations offer numerous benefits that make your property stand out in today's competitive market. By choosing high-quality windows and professional installation, you're not only boosting your home's resale potential but also creating a more enjoyable living space for years to come.